Welcome to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make some fresh pasta. So we're going to make some fettuccine alfredo. So that's what we're going to make. So we'll get started with that. So all I'm doing, so I got a little kitchen hack for you. So if you are wondering how to get some eggs to room temperature, you just put them in warm water like so. You put the eggs in here and leave them in there for about, give them a little warm bath for 5 minutes. And guess what? You have room temperature eggs. So there's a really awesome kitchen hack for you. So hope you enjoyed that. And we're gonna let these wait for 5 minutes. We'll come back and we're gonna start making some fresh pasta. And I also did, this is the second attempt of fresh pasta. I also have another video that was a complete utter disaster. Well, the whole video actually wasn't a disaster, it was just the ending part. And part of it didn't go well, but you know, practice makes perfect, so I'm going to show you the proper way on how to make pasta. And I have a little trick on so it won't stick at the end, because that's the problem I had before. So I'll show you that. So yeah, a proper fresh pasta. Alright, so all I have here is 2.5 cups of flour and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So I'm just going to mix this up. Yes, if you can get this making fresh pasta from scratch and you can get it right, it's such a really a fun thing to do. It takes a bit of time, but it's definitely a fun thing to do. Cool. Ooh, flour. And make sure your counter is clean. So we're just going to toss flour in a pile on this counter. Okay. And as I said, I haven't made a lot of fresh pasta, but I've made enough, so you know, kind of know what I'm doing. So I'll show you that. I'm definitely not an expert, but soon to be, I guess. Okay. Make a little well. And it's really good to, if you have a bowl like this, you can just do a well. Really a much easier way of doing it. And we got our 4 room temperature eggs. Okay. One, out here for now. 2. 3. 4. Okay. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay. 1. 2. Feels like I just did this the other day. Kinda did. Alright. But I was super tired. It was like during Easter. I was really busy at work. Yeah, I did that, but that's okay. And it might kind of leak out, but that's okay. We can fix that. So now we're gonna slowly mix this together. Okay. So. Yeah, I might do that, but that's okay. We're gonna combine them all together. It's all together, so we're all good. Okay. We're just forming a dough. So this is how the Italians do it. So okay, gets a little messy, but you know, it's all good. We're all together. And eventually form a dough. Bit of a workout. It's pretty good. What we'll do. So it's almost forming a dough, so we'll help it out with a touch of water. Not a lot of water. Touch of water. Just a little bit at a time. We'll just leave that there. Need more. Okay. Just to help it combine the dough. A little more flour. Yeah, just gotta be careful of how much water you add. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna knead this dough for a while. Pretty nice dough, so that's really good. Oh, need a break. I'm gonna be an expert at this soon. So, work that dough. Yeah, I knead it for about like 10 or 15 minutes. So you like the consistency of Mr. Dough? Looking pretty good. I'm liking that, the way he looks. Okay. And I saw this on MasterChef, they actually put it in the fridge for 15 minutes to let it rest. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our dough, wrap them up. Fridge to just let all the gluten settle down. Boom, okay, in the fridge. 15 minutes, we'll come back and we'll start rolling. All right. And I'm doing with like a hand, like the hand crank one. So that's what we're gonna do. So no longer than 15 minutes, super important. He's rested now. So we're gonna do half and half. We did the half and half thing last time. Yeah. Flour. And I'll show you the thickness you're looking for. So we're gonna roll this guy out. Good setting there. Okay, so we're gonna start rolling. Okay. Don't have to go fast. Okay. So that's number one. Okay. Now it's a little thinner each time. The other hand, professional pasta maker. I'm getting better, I'll tell you that. So making mistakes helps you to learn. Okay, kind of thinner every time. Yeah. Closer, I think we need to do it one more time. It's a little tricky, but we'll get it through one more time. A lot of patience with this bathtub, but you know, it's so worth doing though. Give it a try. I'll show you the thickness you're looking for. Oh yeah, this is gonna be some nice fettuccine. Best one ever. That one split a little bit, but that's okay. Okay, now. I don't know if you can see that, but you can almost see your hand through it. That means it's thin enough, so that's good. Good sign. Cut. Okay. You don't want to dry out, so you want to try to work as quickly as you can. Just keep that one there. Need some 780 flour. I have here. Okay. A little contraption on. All right. So this is the right way to make pasta. That other video, the wrong way to make pasta. I had a bit of a sticky problem last time. So 780 flour into Mr. Bowl. Okay. This is a way so the pasta won't stick. Alright, better work. Okay, look at that, it's not sticking. Oh, lovely. Oh, this is some nice fettuccine. Alright, I have this beautiful fettuccine. I'm going to toss our fettuccine onto the plate. Okay, we gotta work fast because next fettuccine. Okay, next. Ooh, careful. Help them out. Okay. Oh, guess I should have shown that part. Okay. Same thing like before. Okay, we're gonna take our flour all over. Oh, I'm definitely gonna do this more, man. All kinds of fresh pasta. coming up in Beaumont's kitchen. You want salt, your pasta water, really important. Salt. Yeah, a little bit more. Okay. Yes. Perfect. All right, now pasta. Okay, we gotta work fast because the dough could dry out. We don't want that. Okay. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. This is gonna be some nice fettuccine Alfredo. Right. Yes, you want to make sure it doesn't stick because making fresh pasta is a lot of work. Okay, so I got our fettuccine here, all nicely rolled out. Beautiful, and I'm just chopping some garlic. Always chop more garlic than you need. That's always a good thing. Okay. What the heck? Turn the fire up. More fire. Okay. Key ingredients. Alright. 2,000 cloves of garlic. Alright. Boom. Beaumont's favorite time. Okay. Garlic get all happy. Okay. Put thyme in there. You need cheese. Normally you would do beautiful Parmesan. I don't have any Parmesan. I only have mozzarella. So we use some mozzarella. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Make sure your pasta don't stick. Just gotta move around every once in a while. Our thyme and garlic is getting happy. Okay. A couple tablespoons of butter. Be generous. This is definitely, Alfredo is definitely not diet food at all. It's, yeah. It's a little rich. Butter and cream. So, butter melt. Good. What's happening? Heavy cream. Generous with the cream. Okay, the cream. Let's add the pasta. Some water. So. Cream is the bubbly thing pretty fast, so be careful with that. Cheese in here. Plus fire. Okay. I'll save some for later, but here we go. Cheese. Pasta. This fresh pasta doesn't take as long, I'm told. Move this off the heat for a second. This might take a little while. A few minutes, should be done. Alright. This is supposed to be a little by Dante, right? Cool. Look at that noodle. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Now, take Mr. Pasta. I was gonna use a fork. That's fine. Fine for me. Pasta here. Oh my god. I don't want to burn anything. Yeah, just kind of toss that in there. Okay. Turn it around. Okay. We're almost there. Okay. Oh yeah, let's get him out of fettuccine Alfredo. Looking good. Okay. fettuccine Alfredo. I guess we have to give it a try, right? Okay, alright. Fish fettuccine Alfredo. Oh, yes. A little bit more cheese on top. That never hurts. Let's give it a try, right? Okay. Go ahead and give it a try. Oh yeah. Mmm. Rich, delicious, awesome. Rich dinner. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Love ya. See you next time.